A cable marker is a symbol to place or attach the color of the wire and also the tag of the wire. To show a cable in a drawing, you have to assign a cable marker to the existing wire. Therefore, for cable creation, there is no option separately. To use cable marker from the schematic tab and from the insert wires wire numbers panel, you have to select cable markers. The insert component dialog box will be shown. In the cable markers area, there are several predefined blocks that you can select. Then in the command line, you will be requested to specify the insertion point for the cable marker. Click on the desired point. The Insert Edit Cable Marker dialog box will be displayed. In the cable tag area, you have to enter a tag of the cable. Also, there is an option to specify the color of the wire in the Wire Color ID area. Choose Generic and then select the desired color that you want. Then press OK button. Now a dialog box will be shown. If you want to insert a child cable marker, select OK Insert Child. Note that if you don't want to insert the child cable marker, just select Close button. After choosing the Insert Child button, another cable marker will be available. Then, as you see in the command line, you have to specify insertion point to put the child cable marker. Now click on the desired point. As you see, the other cable marker has been placed, which is same as the main cable marker. Therefore, we can call the main cable marker as parent, and the second one can be called as a child. If you want to show the name of child cable marker, so you have to unhide text tag. Let's see another example. I'm going to repeat the procedure for another wire. So just click on the cable markers tool and repeat the previous way. Insert the cable marker, then you will be prompted to insert some child components node. In this part, if you intend to show the cable tag text, just uncheck the hide tag text. Click on Insert Child button, and finally, insert the child cable marker. As you can see, the tag text will be displayed. Next, press Escape to exit the command.